And we're back to using Adobe Firefly, and this time I'm going to show you the text effects. Yet again, it's still in beta, it's still free to use, but we'll also get a watermark when we download it. You'll see a gallery just like with the text to image generator. For example, let me use this one, colorful shaggy fur. To the left of it, so at the bottom, you can change the text. For example, call it test. Let me change it back to Firefly, and you have 4 options down here. Only 1 letter is generated. So if you click on one of these options, it takes a little bit of time to be applied to all of the letters in your text. We've got a background color and a text color. So you can pick a different color or make it opaque right here. Text color doesn't really have a huge impact when you use one of these colorful text effects on top. You can see that right here, I've set it to black, but it's still colorful. We can change the font. What's definitely interesting is the matte shape. We've got tight, medium and loose, and it basically determines how far the effect is going to exceed the limits of your letters. So loose gets a little bit wider outside of the letters. And additionally to the gallery, there are also sample prompts that you can use directly here. You can download it or add what you've got, so your result to the Firefly gallery. Let us change the prompt. But in general, it works like with text to image generation. Let me just pick a colorful snakeskin. Or let me make a colorful fire. Currently, I would say it's a little bit limited here and there, especially when it comes to font selection, but it's certainly going to improve over time. And for a free tool, the results are already pretty good. It's a good idea to use the gallery, pick something that you like, but here as well, the selection is pretty limited for now. Or maybe let me pick this one with rubber balls, and I want to have it colorful, so that's the best way to do it. Pick something that's already generated and then tweak and adjust it to your liking. And then you can download it. And this is all I wanted to cover when it comes to the text effects right now on Adobe Firefly Beta. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.